Hello everyone, our lesson today is about volume. Please open your booklet, part 2 on page 32. Okay, what is the solid? The solid is a 3D shape. It's like a cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder. We have studied them before, but in this lesson we are going to take cube and cuboid and know what are the volume of the cube and what are the volume of cuboid. Okay, so first, what is the solid? The solid is any object that occupies a room of space. The volume is the number of units a solid consists of. Let's see here. How many number of cartons of milk do I have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. So the volume is 9. Let's see here. What are the number of bars of soup here? Let's count them. They are 18. So I can say the volume equals to 18. 18. Let's study the volume, the rules of the volume of cube and cuboid. Look here. First of all, we should know that there is a difference between the shapes and the solids. The shapes is like a square or a rectangle, but the solid cube and cuboid. What is the area of a square? The area of the square is side times side. We took it before, right? What is the area of a rectangle? It's a length times width, and the unit is centimeter square, right? But the solid, I want to know the volume of the solid, the volume of the cube. The volume of the cube is side times side times side. Or instead of saying side, I can say length times length times length, or edge times edge times edge. Okay? So the volume of a cube is side times side times side. Okay? Or instead of saying side times side times side, I can take these two sides, side times side equal to area, right? So I can say volume equals to base area times side. These two are base area times side, and my unit is centimeter cube, or I can say cubic centimeter. Okay, the cuboid, what is the volume of the cuboid? It's length times width times height, or I can say base area times height. Length and width together are called base area, so the volume is base area times height. Okay, you should study these rules very well. This is very important. Cube and cuboid have 6 faces. The face of the cube is in the form of a square, and the face of the cuboid is in the form of a rectangle, and have 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, I have another type of cube, a cuboid, and it's called a cuboid based square. It's a cuboid, but the face is in the form of a square. So what its volume? The volume is side times height, or I can take these two sides together and I say volume equals to base area times height. Okay, in the cube sometimes he asks me about the side. Okay, how can I bring a side in a cube? The side, if he gave me a volume, I can make, this is called a cubic root. I can make it a cubic root the volume. If he gave me area, I will make square root the area. If he gave me perimeter, I will make the perimeter divided by 4. If he gave me the number of the sum of edges, we know that we have 12 edges in the cube. So I will make the sum of edges divided by 12 to know the side. Okay, these rules are very important. You should study it well. Let's see some examples. Here, open your booklet on page 33. Let's count here. Find the volume of the following solids. Here I want to count, okay, count the cubes to know the volume. Let's count here. How many cubes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10. Here I have two rows up and 2 rows down, so this part is 6 and this part is 6, so the volume is equal to 12 centimeter cube. Okay, here I have 3 up and 6 down. Let's see, 3 and 3 at the back, so I have 6 and 3 equals to 12. Here up I have 3. Second row I have here 2 times 3 equal to 6, and here I have 3 times 3 equals to 9. Add them together, 3 plus 6 plus 9, it's equal 18. Here I have up 1 2 1 2 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, and here I have 1 2 3 4, 4 times 3 equals 12, and here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 times 3 equals to 18. If you add 6 plus 12 plus 18, it will be 36. And here I have 1 up and 3, 1 and 3, and here I have 4, and here I have 4. If you add them, they will be 12 centimeter cube. Turn the page on page 34. You should study here the units. We know that kilometer to meter, from big to small, I will make times 1000. From meter to centimeter, from meter to decimeter times 10, from decimeter to centimeter times 10, from centimeter to millimeter times 10. And if we are converting from small to big, you are going to divide. In the cubic, we make 3 times the zeros. Here I have 1000. Now to convert from kilometer cube to meter cube, let's see how many zeros I have. 9 zeros. I have 9 zeros. Instead of 3, I have 9 zeros. Instead of 10,000, instead of 10,000, instead of 10,000. Let's see the question. Please cross. This is an extra spaces. Here I have millimeter cube. I want to convert it to centimeter cube. Where is the millimeter? Here, and the centimeter is here. So I'm going backward. I will divide by 1000. How can I divide this number by 1000? I will go backward 1 2 3, so the point will be here. It will be 3.870. Here I want to convert from centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Where is the centimeter cube? Here to millimeter cube, so I will make times 1000. It will be 2100. Here I want to convert from millimeter cube to meter cube. From millimeter cube to meter cube. Let's see, I will go backward. How many zeros? Here 3, 3, 6, and 3, 9. So I want to go backward 9 zeros. I will make divided 1 milliard. Okay, let's go here backward. 3 and 3 and 3. So the answer is 0.003, and you can make it on your calculator. Here millimeter cube and meter cube, it's the same like this. I will make divided 1 milliard. Here centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Here I will make times 1000. The answer will be 50. Okay, let's see here. I want to find the volume. This is a cube, right? Or a cuboid. This is a cuboid. I want to bring the volume, so I will make length times width times height. Length times width times height. This is the height, so it will be 24. Let's see here. I have also a cuboid. Length, width, and this is the height. So length times width times height, 5 times 3 times 3. It is 45. Here I have also length times width times height, or side times height, because this is the cuboid based square. This is a cuboid based square. So I will make 4 times 0.5 times 0.5. The answer will be 1, and cancel this 1.